Hey YouTube, in this video I'm gonna replace the hood or frunk struts, and as you can see I have it have a painter's extension piece holding the frunk, so should be a quick and easy replacement. I got the Stabilus. These are the OEM brand. They're not that expensive. They're 20 bucks each. Come in a pair for 40, and so should only take me 5-10 minutes to replace. I think they just slip off. You just need a screwdriver, and then release the metal clips with a screwdriver. The metal clip, you can see the lip there, and looks like you just release it with a screwdriver. Just make sure you have the right size so you don't accidentally slip, and can just insert the screwdriver so it lifts up the metal clip to release it. So the old strut still works. It does support the hood pretty well, but as you can see, it still holds like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. It is starting to, at least it seems to me, that it's starting to wear out a little bit. Of course, these are the original. They're looking at the date code. The car is 2007, so it's over 12 years old. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is how it just lifts up, slide it in, simple. Okay, the new one should just snap right in, and it's the same on both sides. There's also grease inside already. So I just push it in, and locks right in. There you go. That was it. So easy. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay. This one's, I feel it sliding. Just there it goes. Okay. Okay, this is with the original. So it still stays up, but it is getting heavy from it being worn. Okay, so just a couple clips here, as you could see, to release the wires, and now it looks like I can remove this with the screwdriver on the clips on each side. So that was easy. So these struts didn't come pre-greased, so I just added a little bit of grease, as you can see there on each end. Okay, so installation should be simple, just snaps in. Should hear a satisfying click. There you go. And that's it. Make sure it's locked. So make sure that clip, that metal clip, is fully seated. So it's much better. So yeah, definitely a big difference. So there is one drawback to replacing the strut. So I used to be able to just catch it and drop it. Now I actually have to push it down.